Hey guys, welcome to tutorial 2.0. In this video, I want to be showing you how to use your phone as a camera on your computer. Um, this is going to be a decent upgrade to whatever you have now, if you even have a camera. So let's go ahead and get into it. So this is the website that we're going to be going to. It's called Arian.com. Okay, I'll put that in the description down below. After you go ahead and download this, it's going to look something like this right here. I get it open for you. It's going to look like this program right here. So as soon as you get this downloaded, you're going to need to get the app on your phone. It's called an Arian Webcam on your phone as well. And all this does is make sure that it's able to connect to your phone like this. Okay? So it's actually connected to my phone right here, like that. So yeah, that's my phone. So you can go to actually whatever you want to use. Let's say you have multiple phones or whatever. You can click there. And right here, you can use video format and whatever your phone resolution can go to. I mean, it can do that. Mine can go to 4K because I have an iPhone 11. So there you go. That's actually my setup right there. So pretty cool. So yeah, and just kind of want you to see my setup. But that's my camera that I usually use for other stuff. But I thought I'd give this a tutorial on how to do this. So yeah, and if you want to put it into OBS, I guess I can show you that real quick. So I just turned my phone off, so that's why this turns off. But if you want to put it on OBS, you can go to the plus sign right here. Video capture. I named it iPhone. That's what I named it to. And then you want to go here, select Arian, looking for phone. So let's turn my phone back on. And there we go. That's what we want to use. So now there's that camera there. So yeah, it's pretty cool that you can do that with your phone there. Decent quality. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below if you enjoyed this or if this helped you. See you guys.